How's it going to all you lawnmowers out there? Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to set up your Troy-Bilt TB110 21-inch push lawnmower. Let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, here we've got the bag and the attachment. We'll put that together shortly. We'll just set that to the side. And we'll go ahead and dive into the instructions. Here we've got our 4-cycle engine oil and the operator's manual. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get this handlebar adjusted. To do that, we're going to start in the back of the mower over here. Down here we have our wing knobs, which are right here with the red on the end. We're going to go ahead and remove these. These are pretty easy to remove. Just make sure to keep the pieces together. Okay, we'll come over here to the other side and get the other one off. With the wing nuts removed, we can go ahead and now lift up the handle. The next step is to remove the T-bolts from the handle brackets. The T-bolts are right down here. That is one T-bolt. Let's go ahead and get that out. Then there's one on the other side. Our next step is to pull this handle out, but not all the way, until it lines up with the other holes down here. Don't pull it all the way out. There's another set of holes right down there. Once it lines up with that set of holes, you can go ahead and put your T-bolt back in. So now that we have this lined up, make sure you push this all the way down in so you can actually screw it into the thread on the other side. Otherwise you'll be screwing into air. That seems pretty tight. Now we'll get the other one on the other side. There we go. It's all the way down in there. Next we're going to reattach our wing knobs to the handle. And I've already done one. They go right here. So let me show you how to do it on the other side. We'll just take the screw and thread it through here, push it through. And they're tight. Next we're going to get this rope guide attached to the right side of the upper handle. So first we're going to have to loosen this. We'll go ahead and loosen this up so we can get our rope guide in here. And we're just going to loosen that a little bit and let it hang. Okay, let's go ahead and get the rope attached. It says to hold the blade guide down, then slowly pull this out. So we've got enough slack here. And we'll take it and slip it in here, hold it like so, and tighten this back up. Here's a close-up of how it should look when you're done. This rope should be secure in here so you can start your mower properly. The operator's manual now tells us to go ahead and secure this zip tie right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Make sure our cable's secure right here. Okay, to assemble your grass catcher, go ahead and lay your pieces out like this first. You've got this bracket piece, goes every which way. Face it so it can stand up like this. Put your bag just like this with the plastic on the bottom. So we're going to slide it in, and this little part right here goes over the top of the bag. Then we can start taking these plastic pieces, hooking them on. Here's the grass bag assembled. You can see what I'm talking about with the hook on the outside, and these plastic pieces just all snap on the insides. And these little hooks actually are where it's going to rest on the mower. Let me show you how to attach it. So we're going to go ahead and use this as a handle. we're going to be attaching with these brackets right here. We'll lift up the back all the way up. Then we will slide this into the brackets and it'll just rest right there. And this will come down and form a seal so we can catch our grass. Okay, the mower's all set up. Just need to add some oil. Just pour it slow. Check that again before I use it a second time. Okay, we're going to give it a test mow here. It says no prime, no choke, ready start, just pull for power. Okay, now we're ready for a test mow. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! Well, it looks like it worked. Thanks for watching. I hope you can get your mower set up nice and easy. Subscribe for more. Happy mowing!
Yeah!